know that around 90% of Indian traders end up losing money in the stock market? Yeah, that's a staggering number. If you're one of those traders, stick around because we are diving deep into why this happens and how you can avoid becoming a part of this statistic. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something super important for anyone interested in trading, understanding why so many Indian traders fail to make profits. Knowing the reasons behind these failures can help you steer clear of the pitfalls that many fall into. So, let's get right into it. Alright, let's break it down. The central issue here is that many Indian traders dive into the stock market with high hopes but end up facing significant losses. It's not just a few people, it's a widespread challenge. Whether you're new to trading or have been at it for a while, it's essential to recognize that trading isn't as easy as it looks. The excitement of making quick profits can quickly turn into frustration when reality hits. So, what exactly leads to these losses? Let's explore the 8 specific reasons why Indian traders often find themselves in the red. First up, we have lack of proper education. Many traders jump into the market without understanding the fundamentals of trading or the instruments they're dealing with. They rely on tips and rumors instead of doing their homework. Next, there's emotional trading. It's easy to get swept away by fear or greed, leading to impulsive decisions that can backfire. Then we have poor risk management. Many traders don't set stop-loss orders or don't know how to manage their capital effectively, which can lead to devastating losses. Some traders think that the more they trade, the more they can earn, but this often leads to losses due to high transaction costs and emotional fatigue. Let's not forget about lack of a trading plan. Trading without a solid strategy is like sailing without a map, you're bound to get lost. Also, following the herd can be dangerous. Just because everyone else is buying a stock doesn't mean it's the right move for you. And finally, we have not learning from mistakes. Many traders fail to analyze their past trades, missing the opportunity to improve their strategies for the future. So, what's the most critical insight we can take away from all of this? It's simple, the key to success in trading is self-awareness. Recognizing your weaknesses and understanding the reasons behind your failures is crucial. If you can learn from your mistakes and develop a disciplined approach, you'll be miles ahead of those who just jump in without a plan. Remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making informed decisions and sticking to your strategy amidst the chaos. To wrap things up, we've discussed the 8 reasons why many Indian traders lose money: lack of education, emotional trading, poor risk management, overtrading, absence of a solid plan, following the herd, and not learning from past mistakes. Recognizing these pitfalls is the first step toward improving your trading strategies. So, keep these insights in mind as you navigate the stock market. Now, I want to hear from you. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Have you experienced any of these challenges? And if you're looking for more tips on trading strategies, don't forget to check out our next video. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!